What's up, everybody? We're back and we got another technical analysis video for y'all today. And guys, today's episode is going to be very explosive. I have bombshells for you guys today. All right, guys? Now, if you've been doing your own due diligence, doing your own homework, you might know a lot of what I'm going to cover today. If you haven't had time, if life's been busy and whatnot, I'm going to get you caught up. Okay, Nepster got you. I'm going to bring you some real information today, guys. If you're an XRP holder, you're probably already bullish. But after today, you're going to be more bullish than ever. All right, guys, that's how explosive this information is going to be today. On top of that, we got XRP at $1.69 right now. All right, got up to $1.76 not that long ago. All right, and on top of that, we have a court hearing later, or not a court hearing. I'm sorry, we got the SEC meeting later. All right, with Gary Gensler, 2 p.m. guys, 2 p.m. It's going to be very, very interesting today, guys. Anyways, though, I want to get right to it. I want to go over these fundamentals. I want to go over the charts real quick. I don't think we're going to spend too much time on technical analysis today. Okay, I really want to show you everything else. I want to show you the fundamentals. I want to give you all this bullish news and whatnot. All right, guys, because that could definitely be playing a part into why XRP is exploding right now. Okay, guys, earlier, well, yeah, I know we're on a new daily candle, but earlier today, as in earlier on May 5th, we were down at $1.36. We got up to $1.76, guys. We've seen a 40-cent price swing. All right. So we got a lot going on here with XRP, and I got a lot to tell y'all. So let's just get right to it. But before we do, let me tell y'all, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Now that that's out the way, though, guys, let's just go over these charts real quick, and then we can get into these fundamentals, because that's really where the important news is for y'all today, okay, guys? Not too much has changed structure-wise, okay? We're looking at XRP on the daily. As you can see, the battle's still taking place here at that $1.50. Yes, we reclaimed, okay? We were below, came above, held for a second, came right back below, now right back above, okay? That's a good sign. And not only did we come right back above, we overtook the candle, okay? So that's a pretty good sign. Now, again, you know how I feel. Volume's key. Volume's pretty low on the move, all right, guys? It is on the daily, but the volume is pretty low on the move, especially to see a 40-cent price swing in less than 24 hours, all right, guys? So keep that in mind, all right? And then on top of that, like I said, we got all that news, okay? A lot of developments from yesterday, some big developments, okay? Bombshells from yesterday, okay? That could also be taking part in this, all right? And why the price is moving up. It could be that. It could be the anticipation of the hearing later, and maybe a SEC dismissal or something leaks out. Who knows, guys, okay? I'm just saying, May 6th, it's going to be a big, big day, all right? Anyways, let's just, get through this quick little technical analysis, see how everything's looking. We'll go to a 4 hour. Again, you see we held, came down, come right back up, and then boom, look at the volume increase right there on the 4 hour. Boom, and we get that. But only thing is we kind of got a wick to the upside. And let me give y'all that fancy little horizontal line, okay? We didn't really like smash through this area, all right? Especially with that much volume. Almost makes me think this could pull back a little bit. All right. But if it pulls back weak to, it's going to be key. If it pulls back to $1.50 and holds with strength, I think we're going to take off to $2. I think I could wake up to $2, guys, depending on how fast this all plays out. All right. Then again, we could just be ready to shoot up to $2 right now because of this increase in volume. Now, again, we have the context of the daily, all right, which is lower volume, but this candle just got started, guys, okay? This one still has 18 hours left on it. A lot can change, especially on the day when you have a SEC hearing, okay? That's definitely going to be going over the lawsuit and whatnot. 1 hour chart, I actually think it looks beautiful on the 1 hour chart, guys, okay? There's that hold, there's that break, there's the pullback, okay? Now on the 4 hour, real quick, let's go back between these two. On the 4 hour, we see that nasty wick to the upside, right? That's not that nice with that kind of volume. But when you break it down and you go inside, okay, when you get your microscope and you go inside, you see it's not what you think it was, all right? A lot of the volume was buy volume, all right? There was some sell volume, but not as much as the buy volume. And look how it's pulling back nice and slow, all right? It's coming in healthy. A lot of you newbies, or maybe even not newbies, a lot of people who are into trading, they come across terms like a bull flag, okay? One could argue that this is becoming a flag, all right? Is it like there's the staff and there's the flag right there, okay? Usually that's a bullish sign and you get another move up, okay? If that's your thing, if you really play it like that and believe that kind of stuff dictates things, all right? I mean, not so much, okay? I understand it has a place, it has a role, but I'm not gonna be like, oh my God, there's a flag, I have to take the trade. That's just not me, all right, guys? But on the 1 hour, I think it's looking pretty good. I like that setup, all right? Could I see it pull a little bit more? Yes, I could. I definitely could. I could also see it getting ready to take off again. All right. We've been fluctuating here between like $1.68 and $1.70. So it's gonna be interesting to see how it plays out. Maybe your perspective will change after I share all this bullish news with you here. Okay. And we're about to get into it. All right, guys. But yeah, so 1 hour, looking good, kind of gives you a realistic view, of what's happening in this little area on the 4 hour, and kind of lets you see the volume is just now starting to pick up early in the day. Okay, guys. So it's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be an exciting day. There's a lot of developments. Now I gotta get into the big news. Okay, guys. Yesterday I wanted to make a video. All right. There's a lot of action yesterday. I just wasn't able to get to my workstation. All right, guys. I tried to do it from my laptop. The microphone situation was not good. All right. Here in my workstation, I have a legit microphone in front of my face right now to improve the audio for y'all. If I was to do it from my laptop, I don't think y'all would have heard me. Okay, guys? I'm not trying to bring you this kind of quality information. You can't even hear it. Kind of defeats the purpose, right? Anyways, though, we're going to get caught up today. So let's get right to it. And here's the big news, guys. This is Yahoo Finance, okay? I picked this to show you a major outlet is also talking about this story, okay, guys? Ripple appoints former Treasurer of the United States, Rosie Rios, to Board of Directors. Boom. All right, guys? Boom. She is the 43rd Treasurer of the United States. Okay, guys? This is massive. Now, think about this real quick. Before I continue, think about this real quick. Ripple's in the middle of a lawsuit with the SEC. All right? And you're telling me the former treasurer of the United States, Rosie Rios, just joined their board of directors? Why would she join a company that's doing illegal activity, selling illegal securities or unregistered securities or whatnot? Why would a company that's about to go to shit, why would she join them? Does that make sense to you? The 43rd treasurer of the United States is just going to join their board? It's because this is a coordinated rollout. Do you hear what I'm telling you? Nothing is by coincidence. Nothing is accident. This is all perfectly coordinated. You're talking about launching a new financial system, guys. You're talking about launching a new financial system. Think about that. Everything's by design. Nothing is by accident, guys, okay? And you need to start to see it that way. A lot of people, they're just led by people's tweets, or people like Mark Cuban, Elon Musk will get you to think something. People fail to realize that they can be deceived, and that most of the time they are being deceived. Okay? If you want to be successful in investing and in trading, if you want to be wealthy, you need to learn how to figure shit out yourself. Because nobody's actually going to tell you. They can't tell you. The minute they tell you, it runs away. Okay? The minute anybody tells you something, it runs away. Okay? It doesn't make sense. Hey, I'm invested in this. I got my position filled. Now let me tell you. You see how that works? Cuban, Musk, these guys, they got their positions a long time ago. They're not telling you now. They didn't just find out about this stuff and get interested. They're ready to sell now. Okay, that's why they're talking about it. Everything's coordinated, guys. All right, there is no coincidence. I'm trying to tell you. And if you want to, like I said, if you want to be good at this, you need to learn how to research yourself. Okay, you can't trust media outlets. These are businesses. Okay, they get paid to push agendas. Okay, hey, we actually want to push this narrative. We want to push this story. Okay, we want y'all to make this article for us. Okay, they're in the business, guys. They're not there to do it for free. They're there to do it for money. So clients have to pay them. All right? Anyways, Rosie Rios now on a board of directors for Ripple here. Now, let me make it even sweeter for you. I told you I'm going to make you hella bullish in this video, right? Boom. This is a $100 bill. This is our lady, Rosie Rios. Whose signature? Whose signature is right there? You guessed it, Our Lady Rosie Rios. I mean, you don't believe me? Pull out a bill right now. Pull out 20. Pull out a 5. Pull out 100. Okay? Right now. And go check the signature. Her name is right there, guys. Okay? And now she works with Ripple. She's on their board of directors. You see what I'm saying? The XRP quantum financial system is coming, guys. It's here. Alright? This is why I preached about it for as long as I did. Alright? This is why I've been telling everybody, scoop that shit, fill the bag. You think I'm just saying that because, oh, this is the cool thing, I'm just going to guess on this because it's cheap. No, guys. We want XRP because it's hyper suppressed on purpose. And the fundamentals are better than any other project I've ever seen in my entire life. Please find me something with better fundamentals than XRP. You have the former U.S. Treasurer on their board right now. You think that's it? You think this is all I got for you today? I got way more. I told you, this is going to be explosive. Alright, guys? Let me show you some more real quick. Right here. Breaking news. Okay, this is from Gold Telegraph. Breaking news. The Treasury Department says it will employ measures to avoid an unprecedented default on the national debt this summer. Guys, I'm having a moment. Okay? Just having this keep coming into my head and analyzing it and thinking about it more just makes me realize what we're on the brink of. It just makes me really understand what I own. All right. Again, this is something I've been talking about for a long time, is the debt. Okay? Cryptocurrency started, for all you people who are like uneducated on this or too new to this and you haven't figured it out yet, okay? Cryptocurrency started because of the 2008 financial crisis. All right? I think we were like 30 seconds away from a global meltdown. That's when the Fed swooped in and did quantitative easing, which is just a fancy term for printing money out of thin air, okay? That's what bailouts are. They create money out of thin air. They create dollars out of thin air by pressing keys on the keyboard to change pixels on the screen here to show you a new number, and boom, you got money, all right? Just like that. And that's what they did, and they bailed out all these banks because these banks, they have faulty practices, okay? And their books, they were going bad, okay? They didn't have their books balanced right. They were all out of money. This is why we need XRP. The banks don't trust each other. Like I've told you in previous videos, XRP provides the trust. It's the new financial system. And these banks are going to build their currencies and run it on top of it. It has to, okay? XRP is the bridge currency. This is why they're rolling this out. COVID really just sped things up. It sped the rollout. Okay? It gave an excuse to move forward and fast. Because the debt is climbing. Look at all the stimulus checks we're just printing out, guys. Just print, right? Why are they printing? They're printing because they know it's worthless. It's to keep the people who are uneducated and dumb to this happy and quiet. Alright? Those of us who know what's going on, which is all y'all listening to this right now, we're not sitting here not doing anything. We're getting rid of these dollars while they're worthless, and we're trying to grab things that are going to be way more valuable in the new world, in the new financial system that we're going to. Okay? And that system is based on XRP's tech. You think I'm done? You think I'm done, guys? I again told you this is going to be explosive. This is going to be explosive. Check this out. So Rosie Rios, the $1.69 trillion woman, joins Ripple's board of directors, and all CNBC can talk about is Dogecoin. All the world's a stage, folks. Don't be distracted by false green candles. Most people are, guys. Real quick, let's look at Doge. Let's look at Doge real quick, and then we'll get back to it, okay? Look at Doge, guys. Boom. It got up to 69.5 cents. A little over 69.5 cents, guys. For no reason. Doge doesn't have a board of directors. They don't even have a development team. This is just people tweeting. This is your Paris Hiltons, your Mark Cubans, your Elon Musks, you know? I believe Musk is going to be on Saturday Night Live this week, okay? In a few days. Probably going to pump it some more. Who knows? All right? This is not what you want to be in. Now, if you played it as a speculative gambler, good for you, okay? If you made money, good for you. We're not knocking that. But if you're trying to leave your wealth here because you think this is the new system, you think this is a new form of currency, you are sadly mistaken. All right? That's why I keep telling you guys, funnel those profits into undervalued assets. XRP, Stellar Lumens, all right? And others, Algorand. Okay, guys? There are gems out here. XDC, 9 cents. There are gems out here, guys. Don't chase this. At this point, if you want to double your money on Doge, you need to get to $1.20, $1.22 to double your money on Doge right now. All right. Anyways, let's get back to this, guys. So I want to show you this video. I'm going to play this clip. It's 15 seconds for you. Okay, guys? So 1 second. Let me get it all set up for you. I got to mute this mic real quick. Okay, hold on.
So my name currently appears, well, actually, let's see. There's $1.71 trillion of U.S. currency in circulation worldwide. 1.71 trillion. My name is on $1.69 trillion.
Did you hear that, guys? Her name is, there's 1.7 trillion paper bills, paper dollars in the world. 1.7 trillion. Her name is on 1.69 trillion of those bills. And where does this lady work now, guys? Who did she join? Yeah, Ripple. You should be fucking bullish right now, guys. Life-changing wealth right around the corner. Right around the corner. What did we say, guys? We said this in April. What did we say? May's gonna be a big fucking month, right? Guys, we're only on day 6. On the 4th, we get Rosie Rios on our team. Later today, we got the SEC hearing. Gary Gensler at the helm. Come on, guys. You think we're done? You think we're done? Come on. I'm the Nebster, guys. We're not done. There's more to go over. Boom. So, I'm guessing that's Miguel. Yeah, Miguel Villas leaves the CME Group, a Ripple investor, where he is the global head of precious metals, to go to this little startup in the Silicon Valley called Ripple to run XRP markets. Now Rosie Rios joins the Ripple board, and part of her job was to oversee U.S. gold. I'm going to play another clip for you guys, okay? 1 second here.
So just so you know, Fort Knox, so I also oversee our gold. So we are the official custodian of all U.S. gold, including Fort Knox, including the 5% that is in the New York Federal Reserve. We also have some gold reserves also in Denver. It is real. We audit it every year. Every year it's audited. I've seen our gold. It is absolutely there, and it is real. But I do appreciate that.
Alright, guys. Now, why did I show you that clip? Okay, I showed it for multiple reasons. First off, did you hear the word custodian? Okay, once you keep that word custodian in mind, you'll see as we continue in this video. Alright, she also talked about gold. Alright, and she's saying they get audited every year, and that's real, and we have the gold. If you're in the XRP community, okay, if you've been around for a minute, you understand, you've heard that a lot of people in the community speculate that XRP will be backed by gold, okay? Now, I'm just going to give you a theory. I'm not telling you this is true. I'm not telling you this is the fact, okay? It's speculation, but hear me out, guys, all right? Gold, which is real money, okay? Why is it real money? Because you can't print it out of thin air. It's proven the test of time. It's 5,000 years, okay? It's a real store of value, all right, guys? It never loses value. It always gains value over time, okay? It has real world use, okay? It has utility. It's used in jewelry, dentistry, electronics, okay, guys? We're always going to need it, and we can't print it out of thin air, not the way you can with the paper dollar. The paper dollar doesn't have any utility. Maybe you can light it on fire if you need to start a fire, or maybe use it as like toilet paper or something. Maybe. Okay, I saw how everyone freaked out over toilet paper a year ago, so maybe. But guys, $100 bill, a $5 bill, a $1 bill, they're all the same exact material, the same weight. The only difference is it has different designs drawn on it with the ink. Okay, gold is gold, and it's real money. Why do you think the banks, the central banks, are buying it at record like amounts right now? I think last year the banks bought it at like record amounts. China, Russia. I mean, who knows what the United States did with gold last year, all right? It's the real money. Y'all watch Game of Thrones? Come on, guys. What was Tyrion giving everyone? What were the Lannisters giving everyone? Gold coins, okay? Not IOU notes, gold coins. Now, if gold is the real money, you can't move gold on the internet. You're not going to go to a grocery store and buy your groceries in gold. Hey, let me shave off. I got to do my math, do my conversion. Okay, let me shave off 4 grams of gold here or whatever it is. Okay? That's not what's going to happen. Now, how do you use the gold as real money? Well, you leave it in the vaults. Okay? You leave it at Fort Knox. You leave it wherever. Okay? You get audited every year. All right? And then you have a digital representation of the gold. Okay? That digital representation is XRP, digital gold. Okay? And the banks who own most of the gold and who move all these trillions and trillions of dollars around the world, what are they going to do? They're going to use digital gold to move it. All right? Again, theory, speculation. Okay? It's just good to have this idea in your mind as information comes to you. Okay? So that's why I'm sharing this with you. But it's speculated that XRP is going to get backed by gold one day. All right. Do I believe it? I won't say I believe it 100%, but there's a big part of me that leans that way. I'll tell you that. Okay? I'll tell you that. I mean, these metals ain't going anywhere. Why do you think they don't talk about metals? Why do they, when they do talk about metals in the media, what do they say? Oh, gold's dead. Look at all the slack Peter Schiff gets because he's a gold bug and bashes Bitcoin. Okay, he doesn't bash Bitcoin because he's a crypto hater and he's a super bias on metals. Okay, he has a very fundamental understanding of how markets and economics and money works. Okay, and gold, silver, these precious metals, they have real value. Okay, XRP has real value. It helps these banks save money and do what they do more efficiently. Does Bitcoin do this? No. Okay, Bitcoin doesn't. But what do? They call Bitcoin digital gold. This is a false narrative, guys. All right? XRP, if anything, is the digital gold. All right? Stellar Lumen's the digital silver, potentially. Okay? Anyways, we're not done. Y'all, have you guys heard of PolySign? Have you heard of PolySign? You probably haven't. This is a very secretive project. Okay? We're going to get into it real quick. All right? What is PolySign? Well, PolySign, from what I understand, their goal is to become a custodian to hold all these digital assets for all these institutions because maybe these institutions won't want to hold it themselves. Okay? So you give it to a trusted place like PolySign. All right? Real quick before I show you what I want to show you next, who started PolySign? Who founded it? Well, we got Arthur Brito, founder, president. He's also the co-founder of Ripple Labs and co-designer of the XRP ledger. Okay? Who else is on the board? David Schwartz. Okay? Board member, advisor. He's the chief technical officer and chief cryptographer at Ripple Labs. Okay? This is one of the people who created XRP, guys. All right? Even right here, Antoinette. Okay? She used to be CCO at Ripple Labs. All right? HSBC. Okay? These guys up here. This is BYN Mellon right here, guys. All right? Big, or BNY. Yeah, BNY Mellon. Okay? Big money, guys. These people are running PolySign. Okay? Now, why is this important? Well, let's show you why, guys. Boom. PolySign is super low-key. Yesterday, or on the 4th. Okay, I know it's the 6th now. Sorry, guys. It's 1 in the morning here. On May 4th, when we got the news about Rosie Rios joining the board of Ripple's, PolySign puts this tweet out. This is their very first tweet ever. Okay? They are thrilled to announce that our subsidiary, Standard Custody, has received its charter to operate under New York State banking law as a regulated qualified custodian for financial institutions. PolySign is going to be the custodian for the institutions. They're going to hold all these people's crypto, all these institutions. Okay? You and I, okay, your average Joe, We don't have this kind of XRP. We don't have this kind of digital asset. We ain't talking billions of dollars worth, okay? They've put billions of dollars worth at this price. Imagine when this shit explodes, how much money they're gonna have. They might not want to manage all that. So what do? You give it to a company like Polysign to be the custodian. And who's pretty much backing Polysign? Who's created it? Who's plugged in with it? Ripple, okay? Ripple, guys. The people who created the new quantum financial system. Fuck. Wow. Let me show you some more. Let me show you some more, guys. They follow what? 4 people. They follow Coil. Then they follow who? Ripple X. One of my favorite human beings ever, Brad Garlinghouse. And David Joel Cat Schwartz. Okay, guys? And again, he's right there for you. David Schwartz. Now, it was this video right here, guys. What did she say? She also mentioned New York. Right? She mentioned New York. And what do we got, guys? What do we got? I mean, New York, that's powerhouse. You get New York, you pretty much won the game. And they got their charter to operate under New York State banking law. Come on. Come on, guys. What more do you need? What more do you need? You should be more bullish than ever right now. More bullish than ever. Rosie Rios is on Ripple. Okay, if you're an XRP holder, let me just put it all, we'll sum it up real quick for you. Why you should be so bullish on XRP. Okay, if you're an XRP holder. And why you should have the worst FOMO ever if you don't have any XRP. Okay, and the worst regret ever if you sold it. Okay, you got Rosie Rios, the 43rd Treasurer of the United States, whose name is on 1.69 trillion of the 1.7 trillion paper notes in the world. Okay? She's now on Ripple's board. She also has talked about gold. She's talked about New York. She talked about custodianship. Those were key words in this. All right? Then on the same day we find out about her joining Ripple's board, you get Polysign making their first tweet ever. They follow 4 people. 3 of those 4 are all XRP. Okay? Garlinghouse, Joel Katz. Okay? And what was it? Ripple X? Ripple Labs? Okay? Then you got Polysign. Their website. We see their team. It's Ripple, Ripple, Ripple. All right? And then we're finding out the Treasury. Remember, Rosie Rios came from the Treasury. Okay, she was the Treasurer of the United States, the 43rd. And now, May 5th, the day after she joins Ripple, they're saying that the Treasury Department says it will employ measures to avoid an unprecedented default on the national debt this summer. That's a mic drop. It's really my mouse. I don't know if you all, could hear. I don't know if the mic picked up on it. But boom. Come on, guys. Come on. And then on top of that, it's May 6th, and we have a hearing with Gary Gensler later today at 2 p.m. And it's May. Come on, guys. And regulations are around the corner. Come on, guys. Come on. What more do you need? This is the asset of all assets. Okay? XRP. That's it. If you got it, you won. You won. Enjoy yourself. Pat yourself on the back. Okay? Take a breather. Relax. Okay? Life's good for you. It's just a matter of when now. It's no longer if. We're not saying here if XRP is the one. If we pick the right crypto. Now it's when. When. Alright? And I don't think that when is much farther along or farther away. I don't think it's that far, guys. I think we're close. I really think we could see a $5 XRP this month. If not this month, maybe June. Guys, this is incredible. My energy is just fucking exploding right now, guys. Fucking exploding. I've been in this for over a year. Okay, I've known about XRP and I've played with it since like 2017, 2018. But as an actual permabull who understands what the project is, okay? As I've grown as a person, as a trader, as an investor, okay? As I've boosted my financial IQ over the years, guys, okay? This past year, year and a half, I mean, guys, it's everything. This is it. Like, I'm so blessed. Y'all are so blessed, guys. I mean, I'm so happy to just be here talking about this, making this video right now, seeing all the pieces connect. Seeing all the pieces connect, guys. All right? Anyways, we're going to wrap this video up. I'm not going to really go too much. Again, I told you we're not doing too much technical analysis. Just want to go over Ethereum and Bitcoin real quick. I am expecting a meltdown still. My stance hasn't changed, okay? Ethereum set a new all-time high today. Got to 35.49. Congratulations, okay? I'm not an Ethereum hater, all right? I don't hate Ethereum. It actually used to be my baby, all right? I used to trade Ethereum more than any other crypto. It's just not able to keep up with where this space is anymore, all right? The fees are too high. The gas fees, they're too high. The transactions are too slow. Okay, proof of work doesn't work. The narrative's shifting. Risk to reward's not in the favor of Ethereum right now. Okay, so I mean, it's not that I hate Ethereum. Okay, I'm not sitting here trying to bash these cryptos. I'm trying to get y'all the actual facts, the fundamental news you need to position yourself properly so you can win. All right? If you're here, there's a good chance you've won already. If anything, you're just refining yourself to win even more. And good for you. That's what you should be doing. All right? Iron sharpens iron. Okay? Y'all are fucking iron. I'm iron too. All right? Hands of steel. Steel is iron, right? Come on, guys. Come on. We fucking won. There's no reason to be buying this. You should be trying to get more XRP right now. The second Coinbase lists it, it's over. Do you hear me? The second Coinbase lists XRP again, it's over. It's too late. If you don't have it, too late. You're now chasing it. All right, you're going to chase it to $5 and beyond. Let me tell y'all something real quick before we wrap this up. Dogecoin, from where it was to where it got to today, up 27,000%. All right? Fucking amazing. Incredible. To anyone who retired themselves or made life-changing money, okay, because of what they did with Doge, I am more happy for you than you realize, okay? I'm so happy for you. I promise you. I love when people win. I love seeing our average Joe become successful because life is hard, all right? I know from my own life. This shit's been fucking hard, guys, all right? This wasn't easy to get to this point. I still have a long way to go, and I embrace that, okay? Oh, more challenges on the way? Great. It's going to be hard? Great, okay? Like I said, iron sharpens iron. You want to be tough, and life's hard. And if you can win, if you get blessed, and you play the Doge and make 27,000%, good for you. Okay? But if you don't realize those gains and you lose it all, that's on you. All right? That's why you have to have control of your emotions. You can't be greedy. Okay? That's why I tell you guys, it's one thing to invest in speculative coins. It's another to, invest in utility coins. I gave y'all the map in the last video. Y'all know the utility coins. Y'all saw what the new system looks like. Okay? Now, if Doge, without institutional money like that flowing into it, and just off hype, memes, and people like Musk and Cuban and celebrities tweeting about it, can go up 27,000%, what the fuck do you think XRP is gonna do? Right? Right. It's settling in now, huh? Now you're starting to realize. Guys, right now with where XRP is at, which is $1.67, okay? If it goes up just 500%, you're at a $7 XRP. Remember, Dogecoin went up 27,000%. You're at $7 XRP just going up 500%. Okay? Let that sink in real quick. What happens if XRP gets all the fucking money? You're getting more than 27,000%. Okay? Astronomical prices. Okay? That's on the table, guys. Real estate getting tokenized. Probably going to run on the XRP ledger. All right? Stocks getting tokenized. They've already started to tokenize stocks. All right? probably going to run on the XRP ledger. All right, derivatives market going into XRP. Okay, Nostra Vostro accounts going into XRP. That's their goal. Okay, XRP wants to put a dent in the universe and they want to take all the fucking money. And I'm all for it. Take all the fucking money. Send this shit to the moon. Send it to Mars. Okay, send it to another solar system. Let's fucking go, baby. All right, you got Doge out here with no reason to be doing this, and it's doing it. What's gonna happen when XRP wins a lawsuit and gets relisted, and all that money when Doge is melting can flood into here? When people realize this is the one, we're coming for the top spot, guys. We're coming for the top spot. All right, it's a fact. I guarantee it. All right, I guarantee it. XRP is gonna be right here. Okay, on my watch list, it's already there. Okay, on CoinMarketCap, it's just a matter of time. Bitcoin, you're going to be right here, then here, then here, then who knows where. It's going to be a sad fall for Bitcoin. It's going to be a sad fall for Ethereum. There was a time XRP was number 2. I remember when it took over Ethereum. All right, we were close. This time we're coming for all of them. I mean, look at this, guys. This is a joke. Doge got a bigger market cap than XRP. This is a joke. Okay? We're not mad at it. Laugh at it, guys. Laugh at it. Alright? Here we are, though. We're in the top 5. We got Rosie Rios on our team. She joined us even with a lawsuit. Even with a lawsuit that hasn't been settled with the United States government. Okay? And she still joined our team. We got PolySign ready to go. We got the Flare Network, guys. We got the Flare Network. Alright? We got some crazy financial crisis, some national debt that could default this summer, guys. Okay? If you want to read about it, the article's right here. They sourced it for you. Okay? It's right here. Right below it. Okay? Just go to Gold Telegraph and you can read it. This is incredible. The debt's impossible to pay off. It's impossible. So you just melt it away or inflate it away or who knows what they do. Okay, I don't know their playbook. I don't know their game plan. I just know they're switching. It's the only way to save the global economy. Okay, fiat currencies, which dollars, euros, pounds, yen, CAD, all that kind of shit. These fiat currencies are designed to self-destruct over time. Okay? Every fiat currency ever created becomes worthless. This is a fact. This is a historical fact. Okay? Please test that. Okay? Challenge that idea. Go Google it. Go do your research. Find me a fiat currency that has survived the test of time and has not lost its value. Okay? I promise you, it's like over 600 fiat currencies and they all go to zero. The dollar's already down 97% since it was originally created. Okay? 97% of its value since it was created. Just gone. Vanished. Because we keep printing it out of thin air. And the more you print, the less it's worth. That's why things get more expensive, guys. Okay? Things get more expensive because your money gets worth less. And you need more of it to buy those same goods. Alright? We are on the precipice. May is going to be a big fucking month. I put it on record here just in this video for you and videos in the past as well. Alright? Massive. Massive. Alright, guys? Anyways, I see the videos at like 38 minutes right now. My goal was to try to keep it at 30, but there's just too much to cover. Okay? This is too important. I don't care about views, guys. I care about getting the people who want the information. There's not one point in this video where I was dragging it out or not giving y'all valuable shit, okay? Every single thing was valuable. The whole video. Okay? Because that's what I provide. I provide value for y'all. That's what I want to give y'all. That's the fruits of my labor, okay? To give y'all this value. It's worthless if it's just for me, okay? Knowledge was meant to be spread. Wisdom was meant to be spread. It's not all the way worthless because I've got a bag, you know. But you know what I'm saying, guys? Like, it's supposed to be shared. I love you guys, okay? I love all my friends. I love all my family, okay? Y'all are all special and incredible. Y'all mean so much to me. I mean, if the least I can do is just help y'all get to your dream life, that would mean more to me than anything. All right, guys. For real. That's why I'm here right now. Anyways, we're gonna wrap this up. I'll see you at the next video. You already know I'm sending you all the love. I'm sending you all the like, guys. Expect a big day later, May 6th. Okay? Expect a big day. It could get crazy. All right? It could get crazy. We could drop back down to $1.50 or maybe $1.30. Or if these don't hold, guys, from here, I don't think either one of these holds. Okay? So if we pull back and it's nasty, I don't think $1.50 is gonna hold. I don't think this 4 hours is gonna hold. We might come all the way down because you never know. Some bad shit could come out of that meeting. All right. But if it's not bad shit, if it's amazing news, this thing's ready to take off. All right. It did 40 cents swing in one day. That's big. All right. Anyways, though, guys, I will see you at the next video. I'm sending you all that love. I'm sending you all that like, guys. Take care. All right.